Firestick remote stopped working suddenly. No response. No control. It is frustrating, but do not panic. These 7 quick fixes can bring your remote back to life. First, understand this. Firestick remotes use Bluetooth, so issues can come from battery, connection, or system glitches. Now follow these fixes step by step. Step 1. Replace batteries properly. This is the most common issue. Remove old batteries. Insert new alkaline batteries. Make sure positive and negative sides are correct. Do not use weak or mixed batteries. Step 2. Restart your Firestick. Temporary bugs can stop the remote. Go to Settings, then go to My Fire TV, then go to Restart. If remote is not working, unplug Firestick, wait 30 seconds, plug it back. Step 3. Repair the remote. Sometimes pairing is lost. Press and hold the home button for 10 seconds. Wait for pairing confirmation on screen. Step 4. Move closer and remove interference. Bluetooth range is limited. Stay within 10 feet, avoid interference from Wi-Fi routers, especially 2.4 GHz signals. Move other devices away. Step 5. Clear Firestick cache. System lag can affect remote response. Go to Settings, then go to Applications, then go to Manage Installed Applications. Then select any app, then select Clear Cache. Make sure to repeat this process for all your heavy apps. Step 6. Use Fire TV app as temporary remote. If remote is fully unresponsive, use your phone. Download Amazon Fire TV app. Connect to same Wi-Fi. Control your Firestick from the app. Then go to Settings and try repairing the physical remote. Step 7. Reset the remote. This is the most powerful fix. Unplug your Firestick, wait 60 seconds. Now press and hold left button, menu button, and back button together for 10 seconds. Release buttons, remove batteries, wait 30 seconds. Insert batteries again, plug Firestick back in. Now press and hold the home button for 10 seconds. This resets and repairs the remote. Bonus tip, check remote compatibility. Some remotes do not work with all Firestick models. Make sure your remote matches your device version. If your remote still does not work, write your problem in the comments. I will reply within 1 hour. Like, share, and subscribe to TechVibes. Follow these proven fixes and your Firestick remote will work smoothly again.